how to get Shopify for 3 months for only $1. In this video I will share with you. So you will find a link in the description, just click that link, and then what you will get, you can use Shopify for $1 for next 3 months. That means you will only pay $3 for 3 months to a page like this, where you just need to put your email address and click on start a free trial. After that, you just need to fill up this information. Your business location need to be shared and also given password, and remember that password very surely. Your email and your password is very important, and after that the store will be opened, but you need to confirm your email address. The email address that you used to create the account, go to that email and then they confirm the email, unless the account will be deactivated. So this is very important. And after that, you need to click on this pick a plan button, whatever plan you want, and you can go for just $1 for next 3 months. So click choose plan and then choose what type of you want to pay. If you want to pay yearly, choose yearly, but everyone try to go with monthly. Then click the monthly and click confirm billing cycle and fill up all your business address information and set up your payment and click on start plan button, and your trial will be started. And for the next 3 months you will have revenue. And if you want to build your own store, I will put a link in the description about how to build your own store. So thank you very much for watching the video.